Best countries to relocate from UK to for higher disposable income. For UK employees seeking higher disposable income, relocating to countries with lower taxes and favorable quality of life can be a smart move. The UAE is a top choice, offering no personal income tax, meaning employees keep more of their earnings. Similarly, Hong Kong has a low top income tax rate of 17%, and Singapore offers a competitive salary with a tax gap at 22%, making them attractive financial hubs for expatriates. Switzerland also provides lower tax rates for high earners, especially in certain cantons, despite the high cost of living in cities like Zurich and Geneva. In Australia and Canada, while taxes are progressive, the combination of high wages and excellent work-life balance often result in high disposable income compared to the UK. New Zealand offers a moderate living cost and lower tax for high earners, contributing to a laid-back lifestyle. Portugal offers non-habitual resident scheme, providing a significant tax breaks on foreign income for up to 10 years, making it a great option for retirees or entrepreneurs. Each country offers a unique mix of tax benefits, lifestyle, and career opportunities. We have uploaded more than 1000 videos in our YouTube channel, subject related to UK startup, business, and tax.